A tooth. There are three main parts of tooth. These are crown, neck, and root. The crown is the visible part of the tooth. The root is the part of the tooth inside the gum. The tooth is kept in place by the root. The rejoin, the center part where the crown meets the root, is called the neck. The part of tooth you brush every morning is called enamel. It is the outer covering of the tooth. It is also the hardest part of our body. But if you brush your teeth hard, you may damage the enamel of your teeth. So, you should brush smoothly. As enamel is the hardest part of our body, it also protects the tooth from the wear and tear of chewing. Below the enamel lies the dentine. It supports the enamel on the teeth. It is also very hard, and the soft part inside the dentine is called the pulp. This soft part of the tooth has blood vessels and nerves. The nerves are connected to the gums through a hole present in root. These nerves send signal to the brain when we have a toothache. A long root fixes a tooth in the jaw. So the three layers of tooth are enamel, dentine, pulp. Tooth decay. Our wrong eating habit and ignorance about the proper care of teeth are the main reasons behind the decay of the teeth at early age. When we eat, bits of food remain stuck to the teeth. These bits of food attract bacteria and help them in their growth. Bacteria first attack the enamel and form a sticky coating, and that sticky coating is called plaque. Then they attack the dentine and finally the pulp. When the bacteria reach the nerves within the pulp, they cause pain. This results in bad breath, cavities, toothache, bleeding gums, and indigestion. Do you know a large number of patients are suffering from tooth decay? Care of teeth. We all know that teeth are very important for us. So, we must take good care of our teeth to keep it healthy and prevent from decay. You can take care of your teeth by keeping them clean and following the healthy habits. You should brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. You have to rinse your mouth after every meal. Do not eat too much of sweet food like chocolate, sweets, toffees, etc. You should go to the dentist for dental checkup regularly. Calcium and vitamin C are necessary for healthy teeth and gums. So make sure you have milk, cheese, curd, etc., which are so rich sources of calcium. Eat lemon, orange, gooseberry, etc., which are rich sources of vitamin C. Also eat raw fruits and vegetables like radish, carrot, apple, etc. These help in making our teeth and gums strong. And also please avoid eating too much of sticky food such as jellies. Such food can damage your teeth as they stay on the teeth longer than the other types of food. Always remember to rinse mouth with water, brush and floss carefully after eating them.